Okay, so we're back here in the garden and going along the lines of being able to garden for very little or no money. It can be very, very cheap. It doesn't have to be expensive. Today I've picked up a new greenhouse, a little plastic one. I've had some really good success with a smaller one in the past, and I thought I'd treat myself to an upgrade them, and it turned out I could use the points that I collected from shopping at a local supermarket, and I bought it with the points for free. So we're going to get stuck and get that built. And there's plenty more to do in the garden as well, but when the weather's not so great, one of the things that is always good to do is create your plan for your sowing and your planting for the season ahead, and the next video I'll put out is going to show you all about that, and you'll be able to grab a copy of my planner completely free. So don't forget to check the next video out, guys, and let's jump in and start building this greenhouse. So that's it, all built with the help from my little helper, and actually I'm going to plant up some carrot seeds now after watching a video from the Green Side Up, another channel. I'll put a link up here so you can go and check it out, but another great gardening channel. I see a video on there, he's planting up his carrots already, and I'm going to give it a go. Now I've got this up, it'll keep the frost off and keep them out of most of the weather, hopefully. So yeah, let's go and plant up some carrots. Okay, so we're going to plant some seeds now in our new little greenhouse. We're going to do some peas and some broad beans. This is my daughter Esme here. She's doing the planting. She always grows the vegetables with me. So she's putting some peas in there. I've never grown them this early before, so we'll see how they turn out. And you're going to put the peas in that one, aren't you, Esme? Mm-hmm. And I'm going to put some broad beans in this one. And we'll just see what happens. These seeds are all from our crop from last year, so again, it's back to not having to cost a fortune to grow your own fruit and vegetables and your own food. So we all of our crop last year, we took some and dried the seeds out and using them again this year, and we'll see how they come up. And if they don't work and we lose them, it's not the end of the world, because we haven't had to pay for any seed packets. That's good, isn't it? Mm-hmm. We can make our own. You keep going with them. I've got some more broad beans. Okay, how are you getting on?
Good.
Have you got enough peas there to put in?
Yeah.
We've got plenty more in there from last year.
Mm-hmm.
So you're doing all that side of the tray with peas. Just going to cover them over lightly. I'll get a bit more compost. And I find you don't have to worry about getting seed compost or anything like that. Just use any peat-free multi-purpose compost is good enough. It's what I've always used, and it's never failed me. Are you all finished then?
I just need to fill it in.
Yeah, do you want to grab some then to fill it in?
I've been busy planting, Ben.
Yeah, we're busy planting, Ben. You'll have to go and have a play in a minute.
Then we are going to come and play in a minute.
So like I said, this is the first time that I've planted anything this early, so we just have to see how it turns out, won't we? And hopefully we'll get some peas at least, and we can use them for pea shoots, so we can eat the pea shoots and they taste just like the peas.
Yeah.
And they're our favourite, aren't they, the peas?
Mhm.
they always get eaten first in the garden. That's it, very good. Sprinkle that all over. And as you see, we're using our new greenhouse as our potting table as well. As we're limited on space, we don't have a massive vegetable garden here, but we just make the best use of what we got. So there you go, we're going to plant them up, we're going to leave them in here, and we're going to see how they grow.
Yeah.
Thanks, Esme.
Yeah, but we can do some another ones.
What else do you want to plant them? Here we go. So Esme wants to plant some carrots as well. Again, we haven't tried this, but first off we've got to put tags in the ones we've just done. So I don't buy tags, I just cut up old yoghurt pots or cream pots into strips, and then we can just stick them in there. And the peas, I was going to try multi-sowing the peas, but we forgot. So we'll try that later on in the year, February, March, when we put some more in. We'll do that. And these carrot seeds, obviously, they're not from our garden from last year. We bought these. And it's a good time, actually, to go and get your seeds because of everything that went on last year. I know a lot of places were selling out of seeds. So if you want some vegetable seeds, now is a good time to get them. Because everyone's, get your orders in early. So we're just gonna pat them down a bit, and then just sprinkles a couple over the top. Hang on, I'll put them in my hand.
I need to see how small I am.
They're tiny.
Teeny.
So you want you can put your hand out, and I'll sprinkle some in your hand. That's it. And then you can just sprinkle a few in. I think carrots are best grown like directly in the ground, but we're just playing about, just having a little play. We want to get out in the garden early this year, so why not? And again, I tend to buy these, when they're doing special deals online and stuff. So I pay like £1 a pack for seeds, and I try and every year I try and let some go to seed, so we can we don't have to pay for the seeds the next year. Got some more? There you go. So you've got these ones here to do, and that one there. And that's probably enough. While you're doing that, I'll light up the tag. Yeah, we'll play on the trampoline in a minute.
Oh, when I'm done doing these towers. Are you almost done? There we go.
That's it. So we want to sprinkle some compost over the top. You're going to grab some.
Then do you want to do some?
You have to go and grab some compost, mate, and just sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Probably enough there. That's it. Now put some on. That's it. Just smooth it out like that. That's it. That's it. Messed up. All done. And what I'm going to probably try and do, I've got a few old pallets, and I was wondering what I could make out of them, but I might try and make a potting table so that we've got somewhere to actually put them. So yeah, push that right at the edge. Oh, into the edge, and you see those tags work pretty well. So there we go. That's our first seeds of the year, and it's very early January, so the earliest for us. And yeah. Let's see how they grow. So thanks for watching, everyone. That's the first seeds of the year for us. We don't know how they're going to get on, because I've never grown any seeds this early in the year before. I used to when I was younger and we had a heated greenhouse. We used to grow them early, but not anymore. So it's going to be a first for us, and we'll let you know how we get on with them. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Esme.
Bye. Bye, la la.